Hey y'all! The lighting might be bad, and I'm in my brother's room today. Obviously, we got our bestie, Cute Cosmetics. Sneak peek. What should I go with? Whoa! Oh. It has 62 colors, face palette. Remember Cute Cosmetics? This was the book. This is the book. This is so cute. Interesting. OMG. This is crazy. In total, there's 62 colors. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I already have makeup. Look at the glitter. Let's go with this one. OMG. I look like a mermaid. Let's go with everything. Boop. This slays. So pretty. I recommend this. 10 out of 10. Next one. The Viral Mask. It's real deep mask. Have you seen them on TikTok? Put it on, wear it for a night, you'll be super glowy. Wow. I love it. Next one. My all-time favorite, Rhode. This is Peptide Lip Tint. Obviously, it's amazing. Go try it out. 10 out of 10. Go buy it. Obviously, my favorite, nails. I got extra small. Fits right perfectly. So cute. That's it. Bye. Boop, 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 boop.